Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Contact Us page in WordPress. First, you'll need to choose a robust contact form plugin. Options like WP Forms, Contact Forms 7, or Forminator are excellent starting points, each offering unique features. These tools simplify the process significantly, allowing you to build professional forms without any coding. Selecting the right plugin is the foundational step to ensure your contact page is both functional and user-friendly for your visitors. Once you've decided on a plugin, the next step is installation. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then Add New. Use the search bar to find your selected plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. After activation, you'll typically find a new menu item for your plugin, ready for you to dive into its settings and start building. Now for the fun part, designing your form. Most plugins offer a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Add crucial fields such as name, email address, and a message box. You can easily customize labels, set placeholders, and mark fields as required. Don't forget to configure the email notifications, ensuring all submissions are sent to your preferred inbox so you never miss an important message from your audience. Finally, it's time to make your contact form live. Create a new WordPress page, perhaps titled Contact Us. Then, simply insert your newly built form onto this page, usually by using a shortcode provided by the plugin or a dedicated block in the editor. Always preview the page thoroughly to confirm everything looks and functions perfectly. Once satisfied, hit Publish to make your contact page accessible to all your website visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.